Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and today it is another Causebox unboxing. So this one arrived pretty late. I was actually supposed to get it back in December, like the middle of December, and it's the middle of January, but apparently they had some production issues with one of the products or a couple of products, I don't know. So anyway, I finally got it on yesterday, and I'm excited to see it. I actually forgotten what was in the box, and I decided not to look on the Instagram or Facebook or anything to see what the reveals were. So I'm figuring out, along with you guys. So let's check it out. Okay, now you guys have seen all the products. I've kind of individually showcased them all to you, and here you're getting a decent view of what the products look like. So in my last video, I mentioned that this winter box was going to be sort of like the deciding factor as to whether or not I continue to either do the subscription or just cancel. And based on what I got, I have to say, is it worth the 54 bucks? I think based on the value of this stuff, which I haven't quite looked at yet, I think that it's somewhat worth it. I mean, the last box I got actually was a pretty good box. I think there was mainly only one thing that I was like, I probably won't really use. But with this box, there was a few things that I'm just not entirely sure that I'm going to be using. I'll definitely try out everything, especially regarding these like beauty products like this night cream and this daily hair vitamin. I don't too much trust a lot of stuff when it comes to my face and my hair. So I don't know. I'll give it a try though. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I love the mugs. These are super cute. I do, after thinking about it, I do remember seeing these in the reveal that Causebox did, I think back in like November. And I was like, ooh, those are cute. Those are cute. So the salad spoons and, well, spoon and spork. Though that option was one of three, so I could either have gotten the salad tossers, I don't know, a like small little travel size jewelry box or jewelry organizer, and some mittens. And so I was actually hoping for the mittens, honestly, because I actually did need a new pair of gloves. But I got the salad tossers, and honestly, like, that's one of those things. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not fancy like that. I just get the salad. So, I mean, I have them now, so I'll use them. But I don't even really eat salad that often. I mean, I eat it often enough, but I don't know if I'll use it. So these are hairpins, I believe. And so, as you can see, my hair is nice and natural and short. So this is probably like the one thing that I'm probably going to give away out of this set. But one thing I do love, I will say, is this blanket. I believe it's a blanket, but it's a bit small for me, and it's like a woolly material. So I think instead of using it as a blanket, because I personally like plush, like fleece blankets, I think instead of using this as a blanket, I may go ahead and like use it as like a cover up, or not a cover up, like a poncho type thing. Like when, when you get cold and stuff and you're like working in your office or whatnot, I might use it for that. So like even around the house, if I'm just a little like chilly, or while I'm even at work, I'll have it. I mean, it will clearly, be used as a blanket, so to speak, but I just won't be like draping myself over it all, Nah, because I like the fleece, like warm. This isn't really that warm. But other than that, will I be doing the spring box? I'm curious to see what's in it. I think that I want to say that they charge you before they show you what's in it, but I can't remember. Because I was actually supposed to get this box a while ago, so I don't remember. But I think what I'll do before I kind of officially decide to get the annual subscription is to see what's in the spring box. If I like it, then I'll get the annual subscription. If I don't, then I'll just cancel it and move on. I will also say though that they have a really nice like online market, just like FabFitFun, just like probably all the other subscription boxes. And again, all of the stuff is consciously made or eco-friendly, all that good stuff. So if you're into that, which I am, then I would honestly suggest, if you don't want to get the boxes, I would suggest looking at the market in the very least. It's really good products, and they're usually at a discount as well. So that's a plus. But yeah, that's about it, y'all. I mean, I hope you guys liked this video. It was a little bit, scrambled together, put together, but hey, until next time.